Hello Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now today I've got a cool video. So this is the client portal. I've got a moving background going on with the client portal. It's going to involve a few things like having a Chrome extension, and that's all really. The rest of it we're going to do. So I'm going to teach you all this for free in this one video. I'm not selling you a course, no high ticket offers going on. Literally everything I do is for free. So like, even my playlists, every single playlist hit there for you for free to go through step-by-step tutorials with Highlevel. Anyways, also if you want 30-day free trial with Highlevel, if you use the first link in the description, you get extra 14 days on top plus all these benefits here. Alright, so let's get straight into how you do this. Okay, so first thing is that we need a Chrome extension to do this. So we need to type in Visual CSS Editor. Already done it, and here's my one over here. Okay, so now this is what it looks like blank. So we want to create a cool image here. So to create that cool image that I had at the beginning, what you do is you go to Canva, you go to YouTube thumbnail. Then what you do is on elements, let's say I want a nice blue background, you go blue, then you go to videos, and you find whatever nice blue background that you like. So I've got this one here. So it's just a video, I put it on, and I've just made it fit the screen for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, that's it. And then you want to go to share, go to download, and make sure it's a GIF. You want to save it as a GIF. Okay, so make sure it's a GIF. And then what you want to do is go to the Highlevel websites, because we need a HTTPS of this GIF. So it's a little shortcut hack. So go to the website and go to elements and create an image. So go to image and then upload that GIF. So it'll be like this. You can see here it says GIF. So double press it. Now Highlevel automatically creates this as a HTTPS. So we want to copy that. We want to save that for later. Let's copy that. Now let's go back here. Now what we want to do is now we go on custom CSS editor. So we let that go. And then we want to make sure we go to single inspect. So we want this section, but it doesn't cover all of it. So let's try full, no, max, no, okay. So we want it to be justify center. Then let's just make sure it covers this white section. So let's just make it go there. And then this white section covers all the way at the bottom there. Now let's go to background and let's make sure we go to images and we can actually choose our own image. Okay, so we just paste in the HTTPS and you see it's a bit weird over here. So what we can do is click cover. So when you click cover, it covers as much as possible. So let's keep it all the way down there. So now this is moving, and because my brand is like blue and yellow, whatever, this nice blue is fine. So now we can just have a quick look at it. So let's get off that. So that looks pretty nice. You see the blues changing. Highlevel Harris here. We can even change this section here if we like. So it's pretty nice. And we even change like stuff like if we go here, cursor, and go to here, go fixed inspector. We can even change the color of the text if we want, but black looks fine as it is. So now once we got this, let's click export. So here's the little thing we need to do. So we need to come here, copy this all, go to Highlevel, website, client portal settings, and with your normal branding, so we want to go to branding. I've done it black and gray, as you can see on the right, it's black and gray. We want to go all the way down to advanced here, and where it says custom CSS, we want to paste it. By the way, one thing to be important, just before this colon, add a space and then exclamation mark and then important. Okay, once you've done all that, press save. Okay, so then if we go back onto it, here we are. It looks pretty cool. We can do the same thing to this side. It's just super cool and just makes the login to your portal look pretty cool. Okay, so if you've got any questions, drop it down below and be sure to comment done once you've done so. If you want a one-on-one Zoom call with me, I'll send you a link. And yeah, please like the video. Thank you.